In the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa, the Hedonism II Foundation stepped in to support the communities hit hardest. Over 2 days, our team, along with Kamash Tours, came together with one purpose: to show our neighbours that they were not alone.
Come to see the people, who don't really have it. To see you people, to show your appreciation to the people. And this is wonderful. We appreciate what you are doing, and I hope, the Lord bless you. Yeah, man, respect.
Over just 2 days, our team delivered more than 1,000 lunches to families, seniors, and children in need, offering nourishment, comfort, and a reminder that they're not alone.